For problem 2, so presently manual yung kanyang pag-load ng toxic waste. So he is considering kung mas beneficial ba kung gagamit ng machine, no? Na makaka-reduce daw ng labor cost. So the question is gaano raw katagal bago ma-recover yung cost ng machine. So, ang masisave natin per load is 20 pesos plus 5 pesos. So, that's 15 pesos. No? Times number of loads per year. So, 10,000 per year. So, ibig sabihin, ang annual savings natin is 150,000 pesos. So, kung ang cost ng new machine ay 200,000, i-divide natin yan. So, annual savings natin na 150,000 para makuha kung ilang years bago natin ma-recover yung 200,000. So, our answer will be 1 1/3 years. Again, that's 200,000 the cost of new machine divided by the annual savings of 150,000.